Yo, so today we're gonna be setting up Clawdbot, which is a super cool agent that connects to your phone and is available 24/7. So the first thing to do is to, of course, open a terminal and then just paste this line in here. Now let's run this. So this is setting up now, and I'm just gonna be back in a minute. So after the install is complete, Clawdbot will prompt you with some onboarding. So I will just walk through this. And here I will choose Quick Start since it sets up pretty much everything for you. And you can configure the details at a later point. So here you can set up your provider, which basically is the LLM that will be running your Clawdbot. I will skip this for now, but you can choose any of these. I would probably recommend Anthropic. But yeah, I will be skipping this for now. I will choose all providers here. I will keep the current default model. I really like Opus 4.5. And I will start with WhatsApp because that is pretty much the easiest from what I've found. So it will prompt me if I want to link WhatsApp. So all I have to do is just have my phone ready and be ready to scan a QR code, and I will be back once I've done that. Awesome, so I set up my WhatsApp now. It was super simple, just scan the QR code, enter your phone number, and now we're moving into skills. So for now, I'm actually just going to skip skills. I will configure that later. And I will also skip the hooks. These are all the things you can configure later, but for now, I just want to get this up and running as quick as possible. So skip hooks. Then let us start in the terminal UI, which is what I recommend you do. So let's press enter. And you can also see I have the web app open in the background, but I will be closing that for a second. So now you will onboard your agent. So tell him who he is, tell him who you are, tell him what you want out of him, tell him his personality, everything. So I will do this and I will be back soon. So now I have completely onboarded my personal assistant, whose name is Vec. One of the coolest things that I can do right now, since I set up my WhatsApp, is actually just take out my phone, go to WhatsApp and message myself. Yo. And let's see what happens. There we go. He responded to me in real time. I can be anywhere with my phone and just send him a message at any time. And he will be here on my computer with access to all of my files and everything. And by default, it has access to your entire computer with read and write tools and everything that Claude Code has. So this is super cool. Like, look, it found my Obsidian notes folder here by just asking it. So you literally have access to all the files in your computer from your phone via this agent, which is to me like super cool. Now that was just the start. This is where it really gets crazy. So hold on. So let's open Clawdbot in our browser by typing this command here. This will give you a link which you can use to go to the browser. This is where you can configure everything. So you can make scheduled tasks for it to do, to write to you on a regular basis, say every 30 minutes. You can configure skills. You can add environment variables for different APIs. You can add MCP servers. You can add skills. Like, it is insane. Like, this is insane. And this is an entire new video. So let me know if you want more content on Clawdbot and how to set it up.